I know you want to remodel your bathroom and you want to make sure that everything that you do is really well installed. And that's why I'm making this video, to help you out and understand how you can accomplish that. Let's take this bathroom. I have a lot of problems with rotted wood. The electricity was not the best, and also the plumbing was really messed up. So for that, and before I do all these beautiful finishes, I want to make sure that everything behind the walls is also remodeled. I want to make sure that everything is new, so my finishes are going to last for a long time, and the plumbing behind the walls is going to last for a long time. So let's take this copper pipes over here. It has these small little nipples that are really rotted. We don't have shut off valves on these pieces of pipe, and it becomes really hard for you to do a repair just in case you have a leak. So for that, we want to make sure that we have a solution, and I want to show you this solution. The brace that you see over here, this bar that you see over here, is something that is extremely easy to find, easy to buy, and unfortunately, I guess because it's so inexpensive, you don't find it at Amazon. But if you are working with PEX, which is this type of material, and I'm going to make more videos about how practical it is to work and how inexpensive it is to work with PEX, you will find out that this bar will help you a lot, especially because you want to make sure that you pass inspections. You want to make sure that you work according with the regulations. So this 20-inch support bar is going to help you for that purpose. So inside this little kit, what you're going to find is a couple of nails, 4 nails. You're going to find the bar, and you're also going to find the support, so the little braces that are going to grab the pipes and are going to keep them nice and secure. So for the purpose of this, you have about 1-inch increments in between the perforations that you have on the bar, and these 2 supports that are here are going to be inside there. So it's going to be really easy to make sure that everything is lined up and symmetrical, as any way you want. So let's start by putting this bar under the pipe that is coming out, under that elbow, and making sure that you find the level that you want. You want to make sure that you don't put a lot of pressure, so you don't misplace the piping, or you just pull some sort of a clamp that you have on your pipes. So you want to make sure that you work gently. The first thing that we're going to do is to attach one side, and using a level, it can be a 1-footer or 2-footer, you can actually find the level of the bar and make a mark on the other side, so you can go back and install the second nail on the other side. Now, this channel is about teaching you practical ways of doing construction, and it's for that I ask you to subscribe and make some comments, because you may find other type of ways of installing your piping, your PEX pipe. And in fact, all these pipes have different type of accessories that I'm going to start working with, different fittings that I'm going to show you, so it will be practical for you to do your remodeling. Let's say now that we have the pipes nice and straight, now that we know that the bar is level, we can proceed with our clamp. The clamp is going to enter into one of the perforations that is there. You're going to start from the right side, open the clamp, making sure that the pipe is nice and secure, and the lip that is there is on the front of the bar, and then securing through the back of the bar the other section. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to find the hole that you want to use. You want to go ahead and open the clamp, and make sure again that the lip is on the front of the bar, and secure the clamp on the back of the bar. That's how simple it is, how practical it is, and now you have nice and secure pipes. This will work also in your toilet and other applications in the kitchen. So that's how practical it is. Remember to subscribe to my channel, to make sure that you comment, and wait for the next video that I'm going to do, where I'm going to show you some secrets that are really important.